Manu, just take us through the final few moments and final few shots. What was going on in your mind?
Honestly, I read a lot of Gita and all, so what was going through my mind is just do what you are meant to do, do what you are supposed to do, and just leave whatever. The destiny, you can't control the outcome of it. So in Gita, Krishna says to Arjun that, you focus on your karma and not on the outcome of the karma. So only that was running in my head. I was like, okay, just do your thing, and let it all be.
पहली महिला शूटर भारत की जो ओलंपिक से मेडल लाएंगी।